Hello.
Hola.
Bonjour.
مرحبا.
你好.
Namaste.
In this video, you will learn how to automatically translate and listen to any video in your own language.
Any language?
The large majority. From any language that the video is designated as, to any language available in Google or Microsoft. Just follow these visual instructions in your web browser as you watch this video. Step 1. Go into any YouTube video and click on CC to activate subtitles. This will just activate the subtitles in the language of the video, but it's needed before the next step. Then click under Settings, Subtitles, Auto Translate. Then select the language of your choice. I'm going to choose Spanish, just to show you, and I'll use Spanish as the example, but you should follow along this video and try it for your own language. Go ahead and do it for this video you're watching, so that you can follow along the rest of this video in your own language. Ready? Great. Step 2. Go into Google. Type Speak Subtitles for YouTube. Click on the link that takes you to the Chrome store. Click on Add to Chrome. And then click Add Extension. Go ahead and try it yourself. Ready? You can pause this video if you need to. Okay, ready. Now, step 3. Just go back to the video, and click refresh. Go ahead and try that, and then click back on step 4 chapter to continue on step 4. Great, now step 4. Double check CC and settings, make sure you still have subtitles on. But now, notice that there's a second volume icon in addition to the normal volume button. This is where you manage and activate the Speak Subtitles for YouTube auto translations. And you can turn the volume down or mute the original audio with the other icon separately. So now, what you have to do is activate the subtitles and the voiceover to your own language in this section over here. It's important to activate both. So you can first activate the subtitles to your own language. I'm going to choose Spanish. Note that it doesn't matter that you already have the automatic subtitles from YouTube. This is separate from that. Then, activate the voiceover to your own language. Again, I will choose Spanish. You will also see here some options. The only one I was concerned about was this option, to either speed up the voice or slow down the video. I would recommend slowing down the video. If you speed up the voice, it talks way too fast. I prefer to slow down the video. That way, you can keep the voice speed constant, and it will be easier to also read the subtitles at times when the voice says something you didn't quite understand. Then just make sure the enabled button is toggled on, and boom! It starts translating and speaking in that language automatically. It's awesome. So, I hope you like it. Yes, it still sounds a little robotic. The translations are not 100% perfect, but you can still understand the content fine. This is a game changer for a lot of people that don't speak any of the big languages like English. You can do this with videos that are in any language. Like and share this video so that other people become aware and can benefit from watching any video in their own language. And give us your feedback in the comments below. Did it work well for your language? Did you have any tips you'd like to share with others? Is your language not available yet? I'm sure the extension is just going to get better and better, and at some point, YouTube will make these simultaneous translations built into YouTube, but in the meantime, we'll use this excellent extension. We believe there shouldn't be any language barriers when it comes to educating yourself. That is why we are making our training and coaching programs available in any language. Visit us at beltcourse.com, and subscribe to this channel to learn more.